This is just a quick video to show you how to import or open your SVG file into Cricut's Design Space. Here I've got my Cricut Design Space open with just my mat showing, and I am going to go over here to the bottom left to upload. And I'm going to upload an image. Even though it says image, you can be a PNG, a BMP, SVG, or DXF. And what I'm going to show you is the DXF right here. So I'm going to go to Upload Image. I'm going to go to Browse. And then I'm going to go up here to my Downloads. And I have two folders. This folder here is the zip folder that needs to be extracted. To do that, you're just going to right click and hit Extract All, which I've already done. It's showing you this folder over here. So I'm going to open that folder up, and here are all the different file formats that are included in the designs that Vinyl Vectors makes. So the design file format that you want for Cricut Design Space is the SVG. So I'm going to click on that one and hit open. And since this is a internet-based software program, it could take a little bit longer depending on the size of the file, your internet speed, all kinds of different issues. So just be a little patient with it and wait for it to come up. You can tag it with different things that you want, but this is the file that I brought up. I'm going to go ahead and hit save. And now I put it down here into my catalog of images or projects that I have. So this is the project that I want to work on right now. So I'm going to click on that image and I'm going to go ahead and insert it or file it, so to speak. And again, internet-based program is going to take a little bit longer, and you have different layers here. So now I have my file. I can resize it. I can go through and ungroup it, change the color, do different things with it. But that, in a nutshell, is how you go ahead and upload SVG files to Cricut Design Space. Thank you.